Hi, this is Dr. Derek Mahoney. I'm here to chat to you about a new course that we've put together with the EODO team. This involves myself as an orthodontist and my colleague Dr. Mehdi Rahimi, who many of you have heard speak before, who's a specialist endodontist. Now, when we are treating adult patients, we have a number of complications. They may have gingival recession, and we've covered things in the ortho perio module, but a lot of them have sustained trauma to their teeth or have non-vital teeth, etc., etc. And what we need to understand is what are the risk factors in moving a tooth that has a root filling. The second thing we want to discuss is management of trauma in children, which in the past was very much of, can we get the tooth back in the socket within time? If not, do we put it back anyway, and then we get root resorption, etc., etc. So in this two-day program, we're discussing from a trauma point of view what we can do with kids with all sorts of traumatic injuries and how we work as a multidisciplinary team. And that may include closing spaces for a 9-year-old who's lost the central. Rather than try and maintain the space where you're going to lose bone, I'm going to show you how you can move the lateral into that space, do a gingivectomy, composite bonding, and that tooth looks exactly like a central, and then we make the canine look like a lateral, etc., etc. That's the orthodontic side of things. What Mehdi talks about is things such endoperio lesions. We'll discuss what to do with a tooth that has a periodontal complication. We'll discuss with adults what is a good time post-periodontal work to treat them. We will discuss the concept where we look at adults who've had tooth movement already and now have root resorption. All these sorts of topics. So if you're doing orthodontics, whether it's clear aligners or fixed braces, I think this is an important module because it links in that interdisciplinary aspect of trauma, of endodontics, and with orthodontics. Now, the date for this course, and it's a live course, will be April 29 and 30 in my education center in Alexandria. So Mehdi and I both welcome you and hope to see you soon. Thanks.